Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to do a simple equation, which is actually not too simple if you start looking at it, if you start working out on this equation. Let's go away and see how we are going to solve it. This is our equation, e to the power x plus 2x equals to 7. So this is not an easy equation. We cannot solve it algebraically. So we are going to use the Newton's method here to solve this equation, and then from that equation we can find out the roots of this equation. So let's continue, and this is the formula that we need to start with, which is xn plus 1 equals to xn and then we would take the derivative of the function. Now, if the function is actually what's e to the power x plus 2x, what we would do, we would define it as a function, and we would say that f of x is equal to e to the power x plus 2x minus 7. And when we would take the derivative of this function, it's going to become e to the power x plus 2. So this is how we can solve this question. Now, if we plug down the values that we got in the equation, we are going to see what we get. Let's move forward. So this is what our new equation is going to be. Xn plus 1 is equal to x of n. Now we are going to plug in the values. E to the power xn plus 2xn minus 7. And here we would have e to the power xn plus 2. Now what we have to do, we have to plug in different values of n to see what do we get. So let's continue with 1. So our function value would actually be x0 we would start with, right? So 0 plus 1 is this what it is. So it would be f of 1. It would become e to the power 1 plus 2 into 1 minus 7. And it's going to become 2.718 plus 2 minus 7. Now, when we would take the derivative, when we will put it in the derivative equation, this is what we get, the integral equation of that. So it's going to become Likewise, we would keep on continuing, and I'm just going to do for one of it. You can continue and try all the other values and see what you get. Do you get a similar answer, or do you get the answer at that point or not? Likewise, we would try for different values. We tried for 0, then we would continue to 1, then we would continue to 2, 3, and we would keep on going unless we get the correct answer. So this is 1.484. So like I said, we would do the same procedure for the next value, and we would keep on going. And the final that we got would be where we would get the roots would be at x4. So you would see that how we are getting it. You know, like they are linked with each other. 1.425. We would check different values and we would see that till 3, the value stays the same. So this means that the x value is approximately 1.424, right? So this is how you would solve this question. I hope you understood it. In case you have any questions, you can reach out to me in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.